Hello guys. Welcome back to Sanka Tech Tips channel again. Today we are going to talk about how to fix DLL file missing in all Windows versions. So let's go straight to the video. DLL means Dynamic Linked Library that contains code and data that can be used by more than one program at the same time. For example, in Windows operating systems, the COMDLG32 DLL performs common dialog box related functions. Each program can use the functionality that is contained in this DLL to implement an open dialog box. It helps promote code reuse and efficient memory usage. Most of the time many people experiencing missing DLL file problem. In fact, this is a common error in all versions of Windows. And you'll bump into this in Windows 10 too. DLL files are shared libraries that can be used by an app if available on your PC. However, if your PC is missing a DLL file that is required to run a specific app, then that app will not work, or you will have damaged tabs or parts in your program. Although there are many ways to fix this issue, one perfectly sure way that has always worked for me is to manually download the DLL file and place it in the apps folder where it is supposed to be, and it's really easy to do it too. Let's see how to do that work. Eventually this time I have no issue with DLL files to show you guys. But I'm going to guide you to the method. There is website called dllfiles.com which is give you in the description. You can click that link and go to that website. Then type search the DLL file name which is your missing file. Then download the file. Then copy that DLL file and go to your app installed folder and paste it. Your problem must be solved with this method. If you have installation problem, comment that I will give you solution. I think this video might be help for all of you. If your PC bother you, tell us about your PC. We will bring you the solutions. Comment us down in the comment section. And subscribe us and hit thumbs up. Also don't forget to share this video. See you guys in the next chapter.